Welcome to the EdbMails Exchange to PST Export, a step-by-step guide. EdbMails provides a robust solution for exporting Exchange mailboxes to PST files, making it an essential tool for organizations looking to back up or archive their email data. The software simplifies the process by allowing users to create a one-to-one copy of their mailbox data, ensuring that no items are omitted during the export. EdbMails offers advanced filtering options, enabling users to include or exclude specific emails based on criteria such as date, subject, and sender. This granularity allows for a more tailored export process, ensuring that only relevant data is migrated to the PST file. EdbMails stands out as an efficient and reliable tool for exporting Exchange mailboxes to PST, catering to both individual users and large enterprises. The following sections describe the export operation by using EdbMails. Download EdbMails from the official website. Click Download EdbMails. Click EdbMails Setup File. Complete the installation process on your system. Log into EdbMails application with the email address and password or click Start your free trial. Select the Live Exchange Migration option from the drop-down list. Click Let's Go. Select the Source Connection option. Click Next. Connect to Source Exchange Server. Select Exchange Server version. Click Login. Select the required option to load the mailboxes. Click Continue. Select the mailboxes you want to export from the Source Exchange Server. Now, click the Export to Outlook PST button. You can apply filters for folders and items. For example, migrate only items within a specific date range. Additionally, filter by sender and recipient's address, attachment names, and read-unread status. You can exclude standard or custom folders. Click Save. If you want to split your large-size PST file, click here. Click Continue. Give a name for export job. Click Continue. Select the export method. Click Continue. Select the location to store the exported data. Export operation under progress. Upon export completion, you will receive the export completion message. Click the View Log button to get migration reports. That's it. For a hassle-free exchange to PST export, visit edbmails.com today.